Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use average if formula. This average if formula is used to average your data based on certain conditions. Take for example, we have these three questions: average age of Bandra resident, average age of Bilepalli resident, and average age of Andheri resident. Suppose we are going to get the answer for these questions. So what we have to do, we have to use this equal to average if. Okay, so what is the syntax next? It is asking for the range. What is the range here? That means our Bandra is here in this location column, therefore we have to select the range. Okay, then comma. Okay, then what is the criteria? The criteria is Bandra. Okay, we can write here within double quote Bandra. Bandra. Okay, so this is not case sensitive. We can also write small b. Then, so average range. We have been given another part of the syntax that is called average range. So what is this average range? Because we want the age. So we need to get the average from this. Okay, then bracket close, enter. You can see we have got it 55.8. Okay, 55.8 we are getting here. Okay, this is the syntax. First we got the, this is the locations we have got, then this is the conditions, that is Bandra, then this is the age column. Okay, what it does, so location we have select the range. Out of this range, what Excel has done, it has selected the Bandra. Okay, against the Bandra it has chosen this age and it has made the average of this. This is how Excel functions. Similarly, for this we can also get average if. Okay, then what is the range? We can get the range here, then comma, then we can write here. Okay, like we can write here Bilepalli, P-A-R-L-E. Okay, within double quote, comma, then average range is this. Okay, so then bracket close. Okay, then we can get the answers. Okay, this is how we can get. Similarly, for this also equal to average if, then we will get the location range, that is called range, location range, then comma, then we will go for criteria. What is the criteria here? Criteria is, it is criteria Andheri. Okay, so we can write here Andheri, within double quote we can write, then we have to write the average range. The average range is the age. Okay, then close the bracket. Okay, we will get it, the answer. So we can see. So from this we have got that means average age of Andheri resident is less than other two places. Okay, that means this has the youngest populations, whereas this has the oldest populations. You can senior most people average. You can see senior most people are there. Okay, this is how we can use this count average if formula. Okay, so count if formula we used to count for the purpose of count. Okay, counting the number. Okay, here we are just getting the average. Okay, that's for the lessons. I'll see you in the next one.